Welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is Abhishek and I'm really excited to have you guys back here with me today. So I recently made a video on how to master the tone curve. I'll leave a link over here for you guys to go ahead and check it out later. But for today, I'm going to show you guys this one tool in Lightroom or Photoshop that will help you make your photos stand out from the rest. The tool that I'm going to show you guys how to use today is the Radial Filter or the Radial Gradient tool. And this particular tool will help you dial in those adjustments that you need to really focus in on your subject. And this is how you do it. I've already done a basic editing of this particular image. And if you're wondering where I captured it, it was in near Lake Minnewanka in Banff. I'll leave a link right here for you guys to go ahead and check out the entire series. But for now, you'll go to the masking option, and once you're there, choose the Radial Gradient tool and pull out a circle, and this blackish portion right here is where all the adjustments will take place. And first, what I like to do is I'll increase the shadows quite a bit, then some of the whites, and I'm going to add a slight tone curve, S-curve to the photo so that it really pops. Now, once I'm happy with it, I'll press enter and it will apply that particular adjustment in that focused area. So for the second portion of the editing process using the Radial Filter, I'm now going to apply all the adjustments that I need around the radius of the subject. And this is how you do it. I'll create another mask and I'll click on the Radial Gradient, pull out a circle, and once I'm happy with the radius of the circle, I'll click on Invert. Now, what this is going to do is apply all the adjustments that I need around the radius of this circle, and this will really help me pop out my subject and separate it from the background. So for the adjustments, I'll keep it really simple. What I'm going to do is make sure that it's on Invert and then drop the highlights, drop the shadows, and I'm going to also drop the whites a little bit. And once I'm happy with that, I'm going to make a small S-curve. What that will help me do is really separate the subject from the background while adding contrast. Now, once I'm happy with what I have, I'm going to press enter, and that will apply all the adjustments around the subject. So once you're done with all the adjustments that you need to make inside and outside the Radial Filter, you need to adjust the feathering of the feather slider in order to blend both the adjustments together so that you don't actually see the separation between the two adjustments. If you don't add the feather, it will actually look like there are two different portions to your image and it will actually not look that good. Actually, it will look really bad. But once your adjustments are done, adjust the feather slider as per your need and press enter and you're good. So now always remember that the outside green will be where the adjustments are at its 100%, and the more you go towards the inner ring, it slowly decreases. So if you're not happy with the size of your inner ring, you can always adjust to your need, and also you can adjust it according to any size or shape your subject is. For me, I actually prefer an oval radius on this particular image. Now that I'm done with the edit of this particular image, this is the before and this is the after. See how much of a difference this particular tool can make in separating your subject from the background and making it really pop. If this is the kind of edit that you need to make on your photo, this particular tool will help you get there. Thank you for sticking to the very end of the video. I really do appreciate you guys. If this video helped you out, please do hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I promise I'll make more tutorials like this in the near future. Till then, take care and I'll see you guys next time.